guys, a lot of people ask me about my doggy. Well, this is my doggy. So cute. But it's not about my doggy. No, it's not. I got a lot of questions on my English speaking on my YouTube channel. And some of you don't understand English. I understand that, but you can make a subtitle under each video for yourself. So I'm going to show you how. I just found out myself because I got those questions so many times and I want to answer them for you guys. So I thought I'm going to make a little video of it. So this is how I found it out. So I'm going to show you. Alright, I am left-handed with my camera, so I apologize of my wobbling. But let's see. So I go to my internet. Here we go. Yep, Google. Now I go to my YouTube page. Alright, so this is what I see. Now let me see how. Let me just search for one of my videos, Corrupt Queen. Alright, so here we are. Here is Corrupt Queen. Let's see. Now, which video do we want? Well, let's just pick the last one. Just pick randomly. Alright, so you see that I'm talking English and that I have my subtitles on in English. Well, I'm Dutch, so many of you who wants to make this Dutch, then it's, let me first pause me, otherwise I'm keep brabbling. Yep, here we go. Alright, so you go till here. You see under each video you will see this icon. Click on that and then you will see this. Now you click on subtitle, ondertiteling, and you click on that and then you will see this. Now here says automatisch vertalen, but that's automatically translating, and so you click on that and now you can click on any language you like. German, English, Philippines, French, you name it. So I just go to my language, that is Dutch, Netherlands. Ta-da! Alright, so that's it guys. I just found it out and I thought I made a little video of it. Alright, so that's so cool. Let me pick just one other language just to show you how we can change that. Automatic. Let's say French. Ta-da! Alright, see, that was really easy. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope now you can put any subtitle you like under my videos, so it's not any struggling any longer with my talking in English. Alright, thank you so much. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.